Hello friends, I'm Ron Brown. Welcome to my shop. I am pleased to announce another unique accessory here at the beginning of 2026 for wood turners. It's a two-wheel heavy-duty steady rest. What makes this steady different is that it only has two wheels, designed to support heavy workpieces and is completely open on top. This steady isn't for everybody in every situation, but when it is the right tool for the job, there's nothing better. It's value priced, solid as a rock, and eliminates many of the shortcomings associated with other steadies. Rather than use inline skate wheels for this application, because it's heavy duty and may at times support very heavy weights, I've chosen to use polyurethane tires 3 inches in diameter with a manufacturer's rated capacity of 300 pounds per wheel. These days, I don't turn a lot of really large stuff, but I needed a project that would demonstrate this device's capability. So we got a soft maple log and roughed it down. I got it far enough along to show you what an urn shape would look like in this application, so we could place the two-wheeled steady in place. The wheels can be adjusted asymmetrically, meaning they don't have to be the same height up on your workpiece. You can have one low to take care of the downward force of gravity and the other one up high to resist the lateral movement when you're hollowing inside. So this is not a normal turning, it's just a sample to try to demonstrate the capabilities. Once you have some kind of surface for the wheels to bear upon, you can decide where you want them to make contact. They're asymmetrical, so you can have one low to take care of the gravity situation, and you can have one up high to counteract the lateral thrust, especially when you're inside hollowing out a vessel, an urn, a vase, something like that. Each of the inboard and outboard assemblies are independently adjustable. They slide closer or further away, as do the polyurethane wheel assemblies. So you can be very precise in where you want this support and exactly how you want the support. It just takes a couple of adjustments with a wrench or an Allen wrench and you're good to go. When you're inside hollowing a vase, an urn, or anything like that, you put a lot of lateral pressure on the vessel, and you need something to push back. You need some resistance, and having this outboard wheel here very high up and will cancel out that pressure, making this very, very stable for deep hollowing. Who would just love this two-wheeled steady rest? Anyone who works with large, heavy items such as large vases or columns and needs to remove the tailstock for hollowing. Anyone with a regular steady rest that isn't robust enough to hold heavy items without shifting. This one can easily support 200 pounds or more. The manufacturer rates each wheel for 300 pounds. Anyone who needs unobstructed access to the top of the workpiece for their laser pointer or camera system. If you want absolutely no wobble when placed on an uneven surface, such as a vase or urn. Anyone who wants a variable non-symmetric support, depending on the operation. If you use a lifting device to mount the heavy blank due to the weight. Anyone with a lathe that will handle heavy items. Anyone wanting robust work support for a fraction of the cost of a heavy-duty steel 3 or 4 wheel steady rest. This can be used on all wood lathes 16 inches or larger. The workpiece diameter is probably going to be a minimum of 5 or 6 inches.